Hello all. In continuation of the previous topic which we discussed related to Venn diagrams and sets, we will discuss some more concepts today. Okay. Today we will discuss about A complement. Okay. It means that everything outside the set of A complement. So example, if you see these two sets, okay, A and B, okay. So if it contain the elements like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then what is A complement? Okay, A complement means what? The definition is what? The definition means what? Everything outside of the set A. So it should not contain the common element also. So A complement here is what? A complement is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, here it should not contain even 6 also, even though it's a common element of B. Okay, so the answer is what? 7, 8, 9. This is called A complement. 7, 8, 9. The portion outside of A, complete outside of A, that is called 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is called A complement. Now we will discuss about A minus B. Okay, when you say A minus B, how will you denote that one with respect to sets? Okay. This portion, okay, when this is a set A, this is set B, this portion is called set A. Okay, this portion we can call that as set A. That is A minus B. Okay, but when you say A minus B, it should not contain the common portion of A and B. This portion will not come. Okay, when you say B minus A, that is this one. It should not contain the common portion between A and B when it comes to B minus A. Okay, so this will do one problem with respect to this one. Okay, in a class, 15 students like German language, 35 students like English language, but out in the class 10 students like both English and German. Okay, both English and German, that is 10 students like both English and German. Then the question is, how many students like only German, how many students like only English, we have to find. Okay, so first to define the set. Draw the Venn diagram first. So by using diagram only you can find the answer very simplest way. Okay, so 10 likes English and German, both languages. Similarly 15 out of, but this is German, this is English language sets. Okay, but 10 likes English and German. So how many are remaining over here? 5. 35. 35 means 35 minus 10 is what? 25. So here the question is what? People who likes only German language, that is 5, because this portion is called only German. How many likes only English? This portion, that is 25. Okay, how many likes both German and English? That is 10. Okay, so only German is what? 5. Only English what? Only English is what? 25. Okay, only English is 25. Okay, only German is 5. Okay, number of people who likes at least one of the subject, that means it is a common, you can say this common value, that is 5 plus 10 plus 15, 5 plus 10 plus 25, that is 40. That is number of students like at least one of the subject, that is either it can be either Germany only, it can be either only German language, or it can be either only English language, or it can be the people who likes both subjects. So 5 plus 10, 15 plus 25, that is 40. So it contains the number of students like at least one of the language, that is German language or English language or common, like that. Okay, this is the way we will solve the problem using sets for the difference and difference values. Okay, thank you.